We are a group of educators that has combined traditional business and education backgrounds with a desire to improve the underlying social structure of our communities. We were founded in January of '06 as a nonprofit 501c3 organization. During the day, we devote our time as classroom teachers, but at the end of the school day, we volunteer our time to make a positive social impact in Arizona communities. We are teachers searching for viable ways to transform our schools into communities of academic integrity, lifelong learning, and extraordinary caring for the children we serve. We, each, accept the responsibility and sustain the commitment for confronting and resolving the complex problems that face administrators, teachers, and students in schools today. The call is to create schools capable of nurturing the intellectual potential, igniting the imagination, and developing the character of each and every student. The times demand that we act in greater numbers with extraordinary vision, integrity, and caring for the children we serve. And we believe we are up to the task.